out in Glasgow doing a wee bit of street photography, and I'm just in the area of Anderson Station. Some good light, but and I found quite a nice composition, but I need to wait for somebody to walk into it. Here it is here. So I'll hang about, and if I get anything, I'll show you. So I just heard something starting up. It must be in the. It must be in that multi-story up there. That's going to be quite a vehicle. I'm going to try and shoot this. Hold on. Don't know what that was. Had little LED lights all over it, so that would be good to see at night. Anyway, a little point of interest. Has there been a Santa dash? Is it, or is that done? It's done. It's done. Oh, man! Did you win? So this is quite a cliched street photography spot in Glasgow, but you got to do it. But the light is so bright on the mural, I've had to whack on an ND filter on the video, the Pocket 3, and turn it to manual. Otherwise, with the dark surroundings, it's just gonna be blown out completely, and the same problem presents itself for the photography. Anything in the foreground below that is going to be very dark. But let's give it a try. This is quite a good wee spot. I'll hang about here, see if we can get anything in the shadows here. That's beautiful on the back of the Osmo though. That's really cinematic, isn't it? That is stunning. Wow. Most of the time it's hard enough just keeping the camera settings correct, but when you're filming as well, it's even trickier. And I've just noticed that for that demonstration back there, I had it in slow motion for the majority of the time. So who knows how that's going to turn out. Might be quite cool. There's a lot to think of. Got a newfound respect for these guys who do this all the time. It's a bit of a juggle. Okay, looks like we're good to go. This is the location of my studio just at the moment, 310 St Vincent Street. So, if anybody needs some photos, portraits, album covers, you name it, this is where I'm based. See if there's anybody else in. Oh, it got Christmassy while I was away. Very nice. How's the chest doing? Anyone get any idea what the next move should be? Whose turn is it? White's. Looks like it's White's move. Brand new game. Where would I go? I would say... I know what I would go. I can see checkmate in one move here. So if I take the queen... no. I was going to say put the queen here. I'd put the king in check. But it couldn't take because we've got the knight. But then I noticed that we've got the knight covering that space. So that ain't going to work. Oh well, I'll leave them to it. Got a little library down here. Oh yeah. There we go. This is my studio. So I've dropped in to the studio to pick up some gear for a couple of photo shoots this week. The heating is on, it's nice and cozy, it's quiet. If you ever need any photos, maybe as Christmas presents or for any other reason, this is a place where if it's inside we will be, but I can do photos anywhere. And at this time of year sometimes it's nicer doing them outside. But whatever you fancy, just let me know.